My Mapo Tofu Ramen is a wonderful Chinese-Korean fusion recipe that creates a sensational taste and true comfort. As we are getting ready for the Chinese Lunar New Year of 2022, I am offering this Mapo Tofu Ramen as a New Year special. You have to try. First, you will need 440 grams of firm tofu that are cut in small cubes, then adding half teaspoon of salt and 90-degree hot water and completely cover the tofu. Soak the tofu for 5 minutes. Then drain the tofu and set it aside. Next, you will need 1 teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorns and 3 long dry red peppers. Cut the dry red peppers in small pieces. Now, in a frying pan, set the heat on medium-high. Add the dry red peppers and Sichuan peppercorns and fry for about 1 minute until fragrant. Then use a mortar and pestle to grind the peppers into fine powder. Set this aside and we will need this later. Next, in a wok, adding 1.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil on medium-high heat. Then adding 180 grams of ground pork. Cook for about 2 minutes until the color changes to a light brown. Now adding 2 tablespoons of chili bean sauce. It's called 豆瓣酱 in Chinese. Chinese chili bean sauce is a must-have when you make mapo tofu. Stir with the pork for about 30 seconds until the pork is well coated. Next, adding 220 milliliters of water and turn down the heat to medium-low. Now it's time to adding all the seasonings. Adding pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Give it a good stir. Then adding the tofu. Mix well with the sauce. Cook the tofu for about 5 minutes on medium-low heat. In the meantime, let's prepare starch water. In a small bowl, adding 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1/3 cup of water. Mix it well. Now, adding 3 tablespoons of starch water, 1 spoonful at a time, every 30 seconds. The starch water will help the sauce get thicker. Before serving, adding some pre-made ground peppers and some chopped green onions. Set it aside and let's prepare the noodles. Boil a pot of water. I use 2 packages of Shin Ramen. You can use any ramen of your choice. Here is a little tip. You can also substitute the ramen with rice noodles. Cook the ramen noodles for a few minutes until just cooked. And now drain the noodles. Transfer the noodles into a large bowl, adding 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Mix it well. The sesame oil not only helps to enhance the flavor, but also keeps the noodles in a nice texture. Now transfer the noodles to serving bowl. Then add the mapo tofu on top. Remember to add some of the liquid as well. Sprinkle some extra ground peppers and chopped green onions. combine everything well and ready to enjoy. I hope you will give this Mapo Tofu Ramen recipe a try. It is quick and easy to make and is a wonderful Chinese-Korean fusion recipe. Once given it a try, you will want to have another bite and another. I wish everybody a happy Chinese New Year, and I hope you can get to share this Mapo Tofu Ramen recipe with your loved ones. If you like my channel, remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. Thank you and bye!